Yo, that's the kind of state of mind you gotta combine with hard work and time. You gotta climb to the top. Don't let yourself drop till your heart stops. Let this beat rock. Got a new clock and a new stock for this new rock. Just let your mind loose from the new stock. Drunk off the goose, thinking that I'm too pop. Getting caught with a few thoughts, cause I'm too lost. Speakers can't even handle me. And I will never stop. I'm motivated by enemies, setting up shop so everybody remember me. And no, I am not going through life regretfully. I'd rather work non-stop, what they call incessantly, than work some odd job just to live life pleasantly. Already got lost in my mind, not a fantasy. I'm getting there. Forgotten soul, so stop, drop, and roll. You lost all control and pop off your ball like I squat. I fall. Like LeBron, but like Bonzo, I'm a baller, yes, you can't
Ich will meine Kinder mal schauen. Und wenn er dann kannst du mal springen.
Wenn ich ganz ehrlich bin, ich habe ein Problem damit.
Was?
Irgendwas einzusetzen, was unter Wasser ist. Unter Wasser kann ich nicht, unter Wasser habe ich nicht ein Problem damit. Ich weiß beispielsweise nicht, wie tief das jetzt da runter geht, die Steine. Das hatte ich aber auch früher schon gemacht.
Warum nicht?
Ist das jetzt ein Interview?
Ja. Warum haben Sie hiermit ein Problem? Das ist also seine Meinung.
Yeah, let's go. I'ma make a couple stacks, do exactly what I want to. Mix a couple tracks, get a lady that I want to. Turn up to the max, keep me faded till I'm gone, dude. I do what I want, couldn't stop me if you wanted to. I just work hard, yeah, harder than the rest. Some people say I'm lucky, others saying that I'm blessed. But I keep my head down, cause I crave progress. You ain't never gonna stop me, cause it's my conquest. And I'm never gonna rest, yeah. And y'all don't know that I'm a soldier. I always felt like I'm alone, yeah. When everybody thinks they know, yeah. And y'all don't even know I own, yeah. And now I'm ready taking over. Cause every day I'm getting closer. Just look at everything I'll show ya. And now I'm ready, I'ma blow up. Yeah. Yeah, she's got some nice long hair, and you know that she's a bad chick. All the boys stare, can't help it, it's a habit. Clothes that she wears, short skirt and a jacket. I just wanna get her all alone on a mattress. I just wanna have it, I just gotta have it. Rumors all around say her body is fantastic. All natural, not a piece of fur is plastic. Head to her toes, yeah, they say that she's a latch. Yeah, the whispers all around say she has a reputation. Don't believe it till I see it, so I want a demonstration. And I've always learned it better with a hands-on education. So I need a private session if you get what I am saying. And they say that she's not easy, no, she's really complicated. But that only makes it better, and it's got me so fixated. And I'm not the type to wait around, I've never hesitated. But she's got me captivated, so the game, I'm gonna play it, yeah. You got a body like a coke thing. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me. I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I'll make mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'll go get it. You hear me loud and I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie, she will be grinning. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in, but not getting. There ain't no point in resisting. Living life like a dream. Living right, that's the thing. Every night, got a team. I've been tied to the scene. Out on stage, here I'm screaming. Okay, it's a dream, and I'm like LeBron. have me. You can't touch me, can't trust me. I'm too lucky. Look at me, look at you. What you see, what you do. Baby, please think it through. Drink it up, enjoy the view. MVP, got my crew. Nike on my shoes. Might be sipping booze, slightly feeling loose. If I want it, then I have it. Got an ice wrist, causing damage, just like I planned it. I'll be damn rich. Have a chef in the bag, make a sandwich. Sushi got it all, I just want it all, baby we could ball, you just gotta fall, I could